Hey, how's it going? This is Rich Fit Coaching. So this transmission that I just got is be the change you want to see, right? We've heard that before. I don't know, was it Gandhi? But it's time to wake up from this psychosis that's pushed down our throat every day. It's unreal. And you know what I find really amusing is no one ever talks about your immune system or changing your nutrition or cleansing your digestive tract. It's all about pushing their medication. So this is not what this is about. But if you need to change, you're the only one that's going to change. So I've talked about it before, right? You have to create self-discipline. You are in your own way, right? Self-discipline. What does that mean? Whatever that means for you. You know, get out of the bed a half an hour earlier and do something different. And do it every day. So my wife and I were doing a information cleanse for a month. No seeking information, no social media, nothing. Detox from the garbage that's pressed on us every day. And so then we have New Year's resolutions I'm dealing with right now in the fitness world. Everyone wants to lose weight, and I want six-pack abs because I'm going to Florida in March or April. And when I talk to people about it, it's like, okay, great. So stereotypical clientele age bracket for myself is 30 and older, right? So people have been sitting at a desk pretty much their entire lives, but I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. So say they're some type of collegiate athlete. This is a person I picked up yesterday. I rode collegiately Division I for out of UW on Washington, University of Washington. Great, good for you. She's been sitting at a desk for 20 years. It doesn't matter that you rode for UW because that was 20 years ago. I know what happened to your body from when you graduated to today. So, but what I love about people like that is the drive. The athlete is in there. I just have to fix everything along the way. So why I say fix is, so New Year's resolution, right? So I want to lose 20 pounds. People get into these programs, and you're doing jumping jacks and burpees and push-ups, and maybe you start lifting weights, and you're on some nautic machine, and you're doing benching, blah blah blah, and then you hurt yourself. So the professional that's teaching you this or selling you this program is not saying, hey, fix your flawed structure, i.e. your skeletal system, before you try to put muscle on. Because if you put muscle onto a flawed system, a flawed structure, i.e. structure, you will get hurt. It's not if, it's just when. Right? So, how do you do that, right? Losing weight, fasting. I'm a big fasting. It works every time for every body type. We lower inflammation, which allows us to create better range of motion in all joints. They move better, they sleep better, their hormones change, they're more balanced, their digestion is way better, their sex life is better. I mean, all around. You fast, you fix your structure, you start to have abs, whatever, the aesthetics, I get it. All it comes down with some self-discipline. Be the change you want to see in this world. You want to overcome these sicknesses that are out there? Get healthy. Understand your body, right? If you're allergic to gluten, don't eat gluten, right? You're allergic to dairy, stop eating dairy. You don't want to eat meat? Don't eat meat. You want to eat meat? Eat meat. Just know where you're getting it, where it's coming from. Know the farmer. That's how you buy poultry. That's how you buy beef. You have to go seek out the rancher or the farmer that has those animals, and you get it from them. Support your local farmer. There's ways out of this. And it all starts with the self. It starts with us. Me. It starts with me. I'm the example. I practice what I preach. I have for my entire life. You know, just to let you know, I do not make anyone do something that I do not do. If a trainer makes you do something that they cannot do, that is a horrible trainer. And I would quit ASAP. So, if you like what I talk about, subscribe to my link. My website's up and running. I got some programs I'm about to put onto my website. I'm new at the social media thing. I'm not the best at it, right? But you know what? I'm honest. I'm me. I'm authentic. This is me. I've been doing this for a really long time. Been around the block multiple times. So, peace. It's all about the self, man. Take care of yourself. Take some responsibility. 1, 2. Create some self-discipline. You don't have to kill yourself. You don't have to go join CrossFit and blow up your shoulder. If you do, that's fine. Same conversation. I'll help you after, and I'll try not to tell you I told you so. CrossFit's great, but you can't take general population and throw them into that type of programming. But there is a lot of good CrossFit coaches, so I'm not bashing it. Relax. Whatever. Have a good day.